Good morning, everybody. My name is Francisco Mendez. I'm going to be talking real quick about the VSGLI product that the VA offers, okay? So as we go through this product, I want you guys to take some notes, be able to see what fits you, what don't fit you, and how I can be able to help you moving forward from as you transition from the military, or if you're currently already out of the military, how can we be able to have you pay a single monthly premium on your life insurance policy without going up? Let's talk about it. Here's more information about it there. As you're getting out, at least to maintain a life insurance policy, as you get out to make sure at least you have the coverage that you need in case something happens. As you guys probably experience, look at your numbers. You know how life is that transitioning over when we come from active duty to civilian life, and how things are being able to adjust into the new lifestyle. And a lot of us, as know, after retiree, we look at our battle buddies, how many of them have passed on from the times that we are retired, still at a young age, okay? It's still a good percentage out there. So we want to make sure that our family is taken care of in case comes the timeline that we have to go leave this earth. It's reality. Two things are guaranteed in life, which is birth, and the other one's going to be death. So going with that, I'm going to go very quick. As you guys know, the VGLI, okay, it's a program by the Veterans Department of Veterans Affairs on it. All you really got to do is just apply. Once you apply, as you're a veteran, you're gonna get this. This is like group, kind of like a group life insurance. The difference with this is if something happens to you while you're still alive, there's no benefit for it. The only way they're gonna be paying this out if you do pass away. But this is something that I want you guys to know. If you notice, I went to the VA site. Well, go ahead, you can guys Google this out. Go to the VA site, put the VGLI, and see rates. So this is gonna give you all the benefits that it have. Okay. You need to apply with the VGLI within 1 year and 120 days of leaving the military service. This is the window that you have to apply for this. If you didn't apply for this in that timeline, then you're not going to be able to probably qualify for this on it. If you sign up within 240 days of leaving the military, you won't need to prove you're in good health, which means your health evaluation is not going to be put into consideration to get approved for this if you do this type of policy as soon as you get out. Okay, one thing I want you guys to see. Average age of people retiring from military be in the 40s, 45. Okay, I'm going to be able to see $500,000 coverage at a 45 to 49 years old. Okay, it's going to cost you $105 a month. Okay, why am I showing you this number? Because the VA every 5 years they're going to increase your premium while you're paying every month. That's why I'm saying this is something you want to see if it's good for you, which is a lot of time it's not, because this money is going to go up every month. You want to put yourself in a position that you can get a policy through other carriers out there to be able to cover you for the rest of your life and to make sure you maintain at least the same amount of monthly premium for the life of that policy. Okay, that's one thing. Let's connect. Send me an inbox, send me an email, send me a text, send me small screen. Let's go down, sit down, and be able to talk. There's a lot of products out there we'll be able to see. But let me go back here real quick so you understand this, okay? Every 5 years in the VGLI, your premium is going to go up. So, for example, $500 coverage at let's say, for example, 40-year-old person pays $80 a month. Great. But what happened when that person turns 45? From $80 a month to 45, he or she just went up to 105. Okay, that's not bad for 400,000, they might say. No problem. But when do you really look at having this coverage? Okay, why do you need a life insurance policy? You need a policy in place to be able to secure your assets, be able to secure your family, be able to secure your income. What retirement plans do you have out there? A lot of people really just think about the next 5 months, 12 months, possibly 24 months from now. We got to start thinking long term. In the next 10 years, in the next 15 years, where am I going to be at? How's my financials looking at it? Get with me. Let's sit down. I got a greater team of agents ready to be able to assist you guys, and we'll be able to sit down and work for best strategy out there for you. There's a different type of strategies we can go through and talk about it, okay? Now, at age of 65, retirement age, right? We're like, it's a middle retirement age. Age of 65, you look at $500,000 policy, you're paying $735 a month at that age. So, if you got this policy at the age of 40, you start at $80 a month. But by the time you hit 65, you're already at $735 a month to maintain a $500,000 policy. But let's say you might need less. Okay, let's go down. $200,000 policy right here. You're paying almost $300 a month for $200,000 policy, which is not giving you a cash value, which is not giving you any living benefits and all that stuff. Okay. Now, this product right here, it is great if you transition out of the military, you don't know what to do, you never had a plan, and you still need to maintain some type of coverage. Got it. Go ahead. My advice to you, if you're in your transition from the military, let's go ahead and sit down. Let's get you locked in into something that is affordable. At least get you something going in, and then let's sit down and see what is your retirement goals and what we can do either within IRAs, or we're looking at different type of strategies for you. Okay. Once again, look at this thing. It's a great option. If you currently are on a VGL, on the veterans, on the VGLI, let's talk. Let's see what you're paying right now on the premiums on those monthlies, and let's see what's out there that we can just balance that out. Either match what you have at your budget and maximize that budget to the most coverage you can. One thing we want to make sure you understand is there's other benefits out there that these carriers offer. The VGLI mostly just offers a death benefit. It only pays out when you passed away. There's other products out there still being termed on a term policy. That's what you're looking for. They're still going to be affordable for you, but it's going to provide you some other living benefits. If you don't know what a living benefit is, send me a DM. Just go ahead and send me a DM saying living benefits. We'll go ahead and schedule a timeline. We'll be able to talk to you. Nice 10, 15, 20 minutes. We should be able to sit down, catch up if we are old battle buddies. If not, talk some good on military stories, but definitely being able to sit down with you, give you some basic information, go back to your respective agents. If you currently are working with somebody, ask those questions to your agents. If not, give me a call. I got plenty of agents within the United States that we can go ahead and connect you with and be able to assist you with information brief. Okay. Well, guys, I hope this information was definitely very beneficial for you guys. Like I said before, feel free to contact me, send me a DM, send me a text, send me an email, send me a smoke screen. Let's connect. Myself or one of my agents, we'll be able to connect with you, be able to talk to you, see the different strategy. Like I said, there's no commitment, information purposes. It doesn't cost you anything to be able to talk to somebody, get some information, and have a great financial foundation for you and your family. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Success for the best. Have a blessed one.